How to add countdown widget on Android. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, keep holding the empty area on your screen. Now tap on widgets. Now scroll down and find calendar. Now drag the calendar schedule widget. Now put it into empty space. Now go back. Now tap on the plus icon to add a countdown to the event. Now add title. Now select the day. Now click on save. Now go back. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question about a search topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.